hXe gives you the power to organize, categorize, and track each request from start to finish. It even allows you to directly communicate through secure messages with the healthcare provider without having to pick up the phone. In this video, we'll briefly demonstrate how to monitor and manage your submitted requests. This demonstration is intended for medical record requesters. If you haven't already made an account, you'll need to do that first. Then you can log in and manage your requests. After logging in, to view your submitted requests, hover over My Activities and click on Submitted Requests from the left navigation pane. From this page, you'll be able to monitor and manage all of the requests your organization has submitted. Each request has key identifiers such as the recipient, a reference number, the patient's name, and more. If you need to search for a particular request, you can do so by searching any of these reference fields. For example, if I search John Doe, it will pull up every request you have submitted for the individual John Doe. You can add a % before or after a query to do a wildcard search. You can also filter your requests by their current status. As a facility works on each request, the status will change. If you filter by Fulfilled, it will pull up all requests that have been completed and ready for download. If you filter by New Requests and then further sort it by Date Submitted, you'll be able to determine which requests need to be followed up on. If you need to follow up on a request, you can do so by sending a secure message to the facility, which can be done by hovering over Actions and clicking on Message. In the Action Items menu, you also have the ability to cancel the request if need be or view the request's details and history. If you click on the request row, you can pull up the request history box, which will show the request details, any notes logged in by your office or the provider, as well as the history of the request. Lastly, if you receive the records outside of hXe, for example, they mailed the records directly to you, close out the request under the Actions menu. Now it's your turn. If you have any questions, please contact our customer support team at support@hxe.io.